Hello, my name is Christina Burgess, and I am a part of Challenge for 2016. And here today we are going to take the derivative of this equation. So we have been asked to find dz over dw if z is equal to 1 over the square root of w squared minus 1. Here I'm going to rewrite this problem so it can look a little bit easier to differentiate. So this 1 over the square root of w squared minus 1 is equal to w squared minus 1 to the negative 1 half. The negative exponent just reciprocates the value of the base inside, and w squared minus 1 to the 1 half power is the square root of w squared minus 1. So here we can use the chain rule and power rules to differentiate this composite function. So chain rule says to take the derivative of the outermost function with respect to the inner function and then multiply that by the derivative of the inner function. Well, here the outermost function is something being raised to the negative 1 half power, So by power rule, we will take this negative 1 half, transplant it in front of the w squared minus 1. So we're going to take the negative 1 half times w squared minus 1. And we're going to raise it to the negative 1 half minus 1, which is negative 3 halves. And then this is going to be multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. And I'm just going to keep that as d over dw of w squared minus 1. So here we can rewrite this little section. So the 2 is going to be, well, it's still negative. The 2 is going to be in the denominator. And because of this negative exponent, this base is going to be transplanted into the denominator. Now in the numerator, all we're going to have is the negative, and we're going to have the derivative of w squared minus 1. The derivative of w squared minus 1 can be rewritten as the derivative of w squared minus the derivative of 1. The derivative of w squared is 2w, and I'm just going to write it over here, minus the derivative of 1 is 0 because the derivative of any constant is 0. So here we're just going to simplify from this point on. So your final answer will be negative w over w squared minus 1 to the 3 halves is equal to dz over dw.